The question says which of the following compounds has maximum covalent character, covalent nature or covalent character. And one of the question is related to covalent character, use Fajan's rule. Okay, and by Fajan's rule we have learned smaller the size of cation, smaller the size of cation, larger the size of anion, higher is their polarizing power and hence higher is their covalent character. Okay, if the size of cation is very small and the size of anion is very large, then their polarizing power will be very high, hence they will have higher a maximum covalent character. By using this statement we can answer this question. So you can see lithium, potassium, sodium and cesium, these all the metal cation given from the first group elements. Okay, in the first group elements arrangement of elements is we have lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium and then we have cesium is there. From top to bottom as the number of period increases, you can see their size also increases. Okay. So out of these metal cation you can see lithium is having the smallest size and we need smallest cation. So from here you can get what kind of cation you will get, lithium ion, from here potassium ion, from here you can get sodium ion, from here you can get cesium ion. Okay, so in first option you can see we have lithium ion having smallest size, then its magnitude of the charge will be very high, polarizing power will also be very high, hence covalent character will also be very high. Okay, if we talk about anion, so you can see Cl minus, Cl minus, Cl minus, Cl minus. So in all these compounds Cl minus is given there, so means their charge as well as size is same, so there is no comparison among Cl minus ion. We focus on only on cationic size. So smaller the size we have, hence we can say it will have highest maximum covalent character. Option A is correct. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.